Hey there, my name is Dr. Chad Woolner. I'm a chiropractic physician and owner of Align Integrated Medical. And if you're somebody who's struggling with neck problems, back problems, or other similar issues, then I have something really important to share with you. Maybe you've already been to medical doctors. Perhaps you've tried chiropractic, physical therapy, acupuncture, and a variety of other different options. And what we've come to find, unfortunately, is that a lot of people still struggle with these issues, and the approach that we take at our clinic is completely different. You see, most approaches simply focus on the what of your problems. At Align Integrated Medical, we're focused on the why of your problems. You see, if we focus primarily on simply labeling what it is that you have, the best that we can ever hope for is temporary symptom relief. Until we uncover the why of the problems that you're dealing with, we're never going to be able to truly fix these issues. At Align Integrated Medical, we use state-of-the-art technology to be able to uncover what's really going on, and more importantly, address why you're dealing with the problems that you're dealing with. We look at 4 key pillars of function to allow us to uncover why you're dealing with the problems you're struggling with. We look at alignment, we look at balance and stability, we look at strength and coordination, and we look at flexibility and quality of motion within the joints. Once we have uncovered not just the what of your problems, but why you're dealing with the things you're dealing with, we can create an integrated plan that'll help us to not just get you temporary symptom relief, but fix the underlying causes of your problems so that you can resume a normal life. The approach that we take is a team approach. We call it fundamental medicine. By using the very best of regenerative and functional medicine, chiropractic, progressive focused rehab, and massage therapy, we're able to address not just the what of your problems, but the why, which allows us to fix your problems once and for all so that you can get back to living a normal life. So, if you're somebody who's been struggling with these sorts of problems, give our clinic a call today and let's see if we can help you. We're excited to meet you in person and see if we can help. We'll talk to you soon.